All right,
Hello.
we
All
are
right.
live. Let's go.
Welcome back, everybody, to our third match of I think this third match of Michigan OSU Tournament 2. Today's matchup is going to be Team Rocket versus Microwave Melon. And in Team Rocket, we're going to have James and B Tiger. Followed from Microwave Melon, Umar and Microwave Brick, also known as G6. It's going to be a very close match. Each team has a reading player and a high AR player, some people might say. So, actually be pretty interesting.
Yeah, we will see. Obviously, Team Rocket is a higher seeded team based off team average, so they're probably the favorites to win. But
Oh yeah,
never know, we could have an upset.
I feel like this is the match where we might have an upset. Strong players from both teams. I think both teams also have a tournament experience too, so
Yeah, James was on the United States Cup team for Michigan for like 3 years in the past, and then also on another team. I forgot, is it Louisiana?
out of
So
state.
they do play a fair amount of tournaments. Same thing with
Oh,
Umar. Umar does have a little bit of experience.
the tier 2 players, I've seen them around as well, so it's going to be pretty exciting. Alright, we're going to be starting with the rolls, and James high rolls with a 92 over Umar's 78. Better at the rolling, better gambling.
Hmm.
Where's V
I'm
Tiger?
calling
Oh,
it.
he's captain.
I don't want to doubt anything, but Umar's probably gonna ban Hidden 2.
Honestly, I can see that if he struggles on Hidden 2, especially if Hidden 2 this easy. Alright, James is going to be rolling a 1. And James is going to be taking the first pick. And he's also really high.
That's crazy.
We love to see it. Right, Microwave Melon. Will they take the first or second ban? And they're going to be taking the second ban. The ban meta.
Yeah, so Team Rocket will be
First
first
pick and
ban and
first
first
pick
pick.
and first pick, first ban. I don't know what Team Rocket would really struggle on. I wonder what their picks could be. Maybe trying to ban out Umar. Oh, they're banning Fremont 1.
Remod 1 ban?
Interesting.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
I know V Tiger is pretty good at like stream maps and tapping in general, and I mean probably for this SR, no doubt James will do pretty well on that as well. So interesting to see get banned already.
I
Probably
feel
just
like
because comfortability on mods like Hard Rock and Hidden is a little
yeah,
more weird.
if I was them. Oh, Umar bans Hard Rock 1.
Hard Rock 1 ban from Umar's team.
Yikes, man. I did not see that coming.
Hidden 2 is up on the table. This will be interesting.
Uh, feel like both teams just kind of lost a potential pick. All right, it's gonna be Team Rocket's turn to go as they have the first pick. Honestly, they banned things I didn't even expect, so I'm guessing they're going to be picking things I'm going to be surprised about. Don't really know
Wait,
where to start off,
I'm
but
looking in the Michigan Discord. They're
yeah.
almost all in the same VC besides B Tiger.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's funny.
I did that during 6-digit United States Cup with New York. It's really interesting.
Number one first map of this match.
All right. Might as well get it out of the way, right?
True.
So it's like a band-aid. Some people like to pick it right off the bat, and some people just save it for last.
Hot emo? Alright, I will get that.
You're a no-mod, one-pick truth there, awesome chill. For as long as I've known you, I actually agree with that. But I don't agree with picking them on one off the bat. I'm not a favorite. Oh, all right. There's just distraction tactics going on as they're in the same BC. Umar is just someone is just screaming. Actually, yeah, Umar is screaming at the top of his lungs. Says G6. So it's kind of interesting.
Alright, here we go.
The map really just starts off slow. Uh, Not much really happens. Just it's jumps. It's a no mark one. It's really
Yeah.
the consistency pick, and Umar's gonna be the first one to find a break. It's an early break for a 3-minute 30-second match, so not really too late. But accuracy is gonna be a thing that factors in later on. But we're not gonna see something. Oh, V Tiger breaks traded by Umar, and all eyes are just on Microwave Brick and James.
Yeah, Microwave Brick is currently matching James, and
He's beating him in AC currently.
we'll see which team can first build up some supporting combo from
Yeah.
players without an FC right now.
But Umar and V Tiger are really struggling to find ground on this No Mod 1. Just mainly the tier 1 player on Team Rocket versus the tier 2 player on Microwave Brick. Not something that you see every day, so. But Umar is starting to find some ground again. Still some part of the map available. V Tiger on the other is just struggling on the slow section of the Nomad 1 on the 1/3s. Just a huge breakdown from V Tiger.
Oh no, might be those nerves.
Yep. Oh, we see our first break from Microwave Brick though. And we're gonna see some nerves from James, but he still holds. Umar is building it back up, but this is looking more like a 1v2 situation as Microwave breaks, starts to build back up combo, and Umar just breaks. Okay, never mind. I have commentated Curse Microwave break. And James is still holding an FC. Still, this is where we're going to be seeing the score catching up as it flips and turns over to the side of Team Rocket as James still holds the FC and Umar and Microwave
James breaks though.
Oh, he breaks? Umar is the only one with combo. Still a little sliver of the map left. This could easily turn back over to Team Microwave Melon.
Yeah, as long as Umar holds to this ending section of the song, I think they should have the point.
V-Tiger, on the other hand, is just struggling on the no mod 1. Might have been a mispick. No, Umar breaks, but as long as Microwave Break just holds against James's combo, this is just a guaranteed point. There's not much of the map is left. And Microwave Break breaks! And there's just not enough.
Whoa.
Oh, there's not enough map left. Unfortunate. That break needed to happen way earlier for for Team Rocket. But that's gonna be our first break point. And the pick now goes to Microwave Melon.
First match nerves for V-Tiger. Hopefully they'll get it out the way. I think
Oh,
that's pretty common.
it happens. I mean, like, as like the match goes on longer, you start playing how you used to.
Yeah, you start getting into your groove.
Maybe no one was probably a good choice to start off with, like losing the point. Get the nerves out of the way. James is saying, Tiger, just vibe.
Hidden 2 pick coming out from Microwave Melon.
Could this be a mispick?
Umar playing the opposite of his skill set. What a surprise.
Umar from what I knew from him. But Team Rocket is going to be moving on to Nomad 2. So this is going to be interesting because I don't know how Umar is on Nomad 2, but I do know I'm doing tryouts for our Michigan 6-digit United States Cup team. Microwave Brick always had like a near SS on Nomad 2s, so it didn't really require aim. So,
Oh, nice.
yeah.
For this SR, well, I mean, Umar can tap, so it's no problem. Just it might be a reading issue since it's AR9.
Yeah, I think we might see another G6 carry here.
But V-Tiger is pretty good at streams, as long as they're not nervous, so
Yeah, I mean,
like good scores from them.
there is a couple slider checks in parts of the map, especially early on, so I don't know if, we'll just see, I won't say. 60% AC incoming from Microwave Melon, so, Bjork. Hope I said that. We got some Umar fans in the chat. We got insights from the post. Fox is an Umar hater. Umar just streams. I really wonder what's going on in that voice chat. Let you know that my top score on that was 700k. I'm gonna get another bottom score. I mean, I think he'll do fine at a higher SR pool. This is just really low SR for him, so... Like, almost everything in here is a reading map for him. We're gonna see a sharp backdrop as Umar recovers from that. All players are holding really strong. Oh, and V-Tiger is going to be the first one to get slider checked on the Nomad 2, and Umar follows with the trade. The slider back and forth, pretty devious if you're not careful about it. Bancho is yep. Maybe dipping a bit. Umar does find a recovery for his team though, and V-Tiger struggling to find any ground. The sharp drop is not going to be good. I'll tell you that. Alright, more than half the map left. This is a break from Microwave Brick. All James needs to do is hold for Team Rocket, and this is a fair point.
We'll start to see the score swing back into Team Rocket's favor, as long as James continues to hold throughout the rest of this map. I have about a third of the map left.
I mean, the slow section's about to come in. As long as he just, doesn't overtap that, I think he's fine. And V-Tiger found his ground again, so matching his recovery combo with the other two from Microwave Melon. Microwave Brick finds another break. Not what you wanted to see when you need to recover. And you have two combos that are still growing at the side of Team Rocket. And James is going to be smoking. Why me? Or
wait, is that me? That does not look like me.
It does not look like me. I don't know. It's something. I don't know. I saw a lot.
Oh, James breaks.
Oh, James is going to be breaking here. but I think the damage has already been done as there's not enough map left.
And V-Tiger is holding some decent combo to match Umar, so Team Rocket will be taking this point.
Solidifying their position ahead of Team Microwave Melon.
Yeah, this banter lag is crazy.
Yeah. All players. Actually, never mind. I'm being dumb. I thought no one has misses. I spoke too soon. Clearly, between all the shit everyone else talked on that map, I actually got nerves for nothing. Pro tip for attorneys: ignore everyone else's opinions. I agree on that. Especially if they're negative. Wait, Umar is gonna be picking it to hit and what? Hey.
The hidden gambit by Umar.
Yeah.
Interesting to see that.
The Umar hidden gambit. Let's see if it pays off this time. And Mimsicle saying, Umar, this is your chance to redeem yourself. Alright, Umar says lock in 1 mil score. Can he do it? Let's see some stuttering. It seems Umar practiced heavily at the beginning, and we're going to see Mansion lag.
Oh man.
Well, I hate to see it. I thought it was my internet connection for a second. And we're going to see the map catch up.
Whoa! That
I have
Banjo.
Yep, I don't know if these misses are actually real, but oh, Microwave Rick finds a miss, and Umar is going to be the only. Umar loses his FC.
Everyone resets. Wow.
Yeah, but James
not Banjo. Looks like.
Yep, and James has recovered, but that's not a recovery that's too ahead from everybody else. So, Team Microwave Melon has the active shooting, so they're still sitting pretty comfortably. V-Tiger just going to be a little bit behind, but still plenty. Still plenty of map left. You can easily turn this around. Team Microwave Melon just messes up their gambit. Like just now, Umar finds a break. And Microwave Melon just having a full combo reset. James with the biggest recovery combo. We're going to be seeing the score lead quickly switch back as long as James holds.
Another break coming out from Microwave Melon. Umar with same combo as V-Tiger, basically. It's up to James to close out this map here.
Still a quarter of the map left. The score is still really close, so anything could happen. If James breaks here, this could be over.
Oh, looks like James is shaking a little.
Yep. Couple misreads, but he catches himself.
Well, this is more than enough of a margin, so Team
Yep.
Rocket will be taking this point on hidden one.
Yep, and Umar breaks on the last note. Hidden Gambit not really going well for Team Microwave Melon. Alright, the pick is for Team Rocket. All they need to do is pick one more map and bring it to match point. And put pressure on Team Microwave Melon.
Maybe we'll see a DT3 come out. I feel like that would be a comfortable map for both James and V-Tiger, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, really kind of interesting because oh, they're gonna be picking it to DT2.
DT2 instead.
Yeah. It's not really an aim FE DT2, it's more tapping, so maybe something that V-Tiger could find some ground in. I see gain some tournament experience here. But I'm wondering if this could be a potential mispick, as both players from Microwave Melon are comfortable in this type of map. Right, map's gonna be starting. And, we're gonna be seeing early miss from Microwave Brick. And traded by V-Tiger. Umar really comfortable with a 96 act, while James and V-Tiger are struggling with 80 acts, followed by Microwave Brick. But Umar lost his combo, and James is the only one with combo on the map now, followed by V-Tiger.
Right now, Umar is pretty much matching James because he has way higher rack.
Yep.
But that combo advantage is starting to build up, so Team Rocket will be taking the lead right now.
I think it's only going to be a slight lead, as long as James is able to build that back. But Microwave Brick is going to be starting to find some combo again. And I spoke too soon.
Yeah. Shouldn't have said that.
Well,
Umar breaks, though.
I'm saying too much of the Umar jump here. His early hidden picks might have messed up their pick and bangs. Or just picks. Let's see if James can close it out with a DT2 FC. As the map is basically all for Team Rocket.
Almost there, and it's like James will be closing out the FC on this map.
Yep.
I believe, right?
Yep.
Nice.
That is our first FC on DT2 this week.
Umar did have the highest stack in this lobby, but just couldn't find any combo
Yep.
to match up to James, unfortunately.
Breaking halfway on the map. Not really what you want to happen. Alright, this puts Team Rocket at match point with the picks left to Microwave Melon. So better not gambit on this one either. But they might find some weakness in V-Tiger as the weakest link on Team Rocket. That is something to consider, so maybe DT1 could be a potential pick. And chat is saying Fremont too, surely.
Fremont 2, so Umar can go hidden for the third time in a row. Let's go.
And he goes Fremont too.
Fremont 2. Is Umar gonna go hidden? Let's see.
Be very interesting. I think that'd be a throw if he goes hidden, because then he'd put his teammate on Hard Rock. Easy hidden on Umar? Ain't no way.
So yeah, for anyone watching, the rules for Fremont are one player has to take either Hard Rock or Hidden Hard Rock, and then the second player has to take Hidden, Easy, Flashlight, or any combination of those three.
I feel like this map is doable on Flashlight.
Yeah, this map is pretty doable. It's mostly just flowy. There's not really like any big jumps, so someone could learn this pretty easily with Flashlight.
I don't know if anyone has the time to learn on Flashlight.
That would be so cool to see Flashlight though. I'm not sure if anyone wants to do that though.
Yeah, it's a lot of commitment. Cool though. Cool sport. They do that. But not a lot of people know the modifier for easy on this map is 1.5, which caps out your point at 700.
It's actually 1.7.
Oh, they buffed it?
It was originally 1.7.
Oh.
So that's about like 850 max.
Yeah, still not a strong score though. For 850.
I mean, for some players, easy might be way easier than hidden, and they'll take like a more consistent, high scoring 800 than a potential like 500k on hidden.
Yeah. James is saying that they're not going to be winning this point. And Umar is saying this is the last
Umar is
map of the
calling it.
match. He is calling that
No
this
confidence at all. Come on, man.
Nope.
What the heck?
His mental is in shambles. Alright, we're going to be seeing Umar and Hidden and Microwave Break and Hidden. Oh wait, no, Umar and Hard Rock and then Microwave Break on Hidden, sorry. So, this really isn't a hard map for precision on Hard Rock, so...
No easy or hidden on Umar.
Yeah, I guess they're both optimizing for the max score that you can potentially get. V-Tiger is going to be the only one with the miss so far, but that miss could actually end up paying a big price because this map isn't too long. But Act going to be on the advantage for Microwave Melon. And Microwave Brick finds a miss, but it's not going to be too big.
Yeah, it's traded right out by V-Tiger.
Yep. As long as Microwave Brick can hold stable ag, I think Team Microwave Melon has it. And James is smoking hold.
Oh, James breaks.
Oh, James
Now it's just
breaks.
Umar with full combo.
Yep, Umar is the only one with combo in this entire lobby. Umar not pulling a gambit. I think this far into the map, this map is basically Microwave Melons earning their second point. As both V-Tiger and
Umar
Microwave
will pull through the full combo.
And Umar finds the FC on Fremont too.
This guy might just like AR-10.
I agree. This guy might just be good at precision. But the pick that's going to be back to Team Rocket as they have the chance to close it out. Could just lock into another DT pick here. James saying his official diamond hand status is lost.
You're gonna be seeing DT3.
Oh, Identity Part 4.
I feel like this is a good pick since V-Tiger probably gets a higher score than Microwave Melon, but...
Yeah, Microwave Melon as a whole weren't really too strong of the tapping picks, so... I mean, they did find a Nomad too, but fell short on the speed on DT2, so there is reason for picking this. Could this be a closeout for Team Microwave Melon?
Gamma going back up? What?
Gamma abusers?
These guys.
Dude. I'm a no Gamma truther.
Me too.
I think it doesn't help. Just simply click the circle on time.
AR0, AR10, I play it the same.
Yep, same here. And Umar is saying that this is the final map of the match.
Final map of the match, part 2 for real this time.
And James is saying that Identity also has him raising his gamma as well.
Umar is playing the wrong map? What is going on?
Umar is, what?
We get a panic button from Fox, I think.
I was about to say. Alright.
There we go. We're going to be seeing the score on the side of Microwave Melon immediately right after that Bancho issue, but...
early break from V-Tiger, but quickly recovers from it. But Axe gonna be on the side of Microwave Melon. V-Tiger finds another break as the map is almost over. We could see a double FC on DT3.
Oh, looks like V-Tiger missed aim and the...
But Umar trades.
No map left.
Yeah.
Basically two FCs versus one.
Yep. And that will be the 4th break point of this match being earned to Team Microwave Melon.
We could be seeing a potential tiebreaker here if Microwave Melon picks up another point.
Surely they don't pull an Umar gambit. Surely not. Only DT1, No Mod 3, and No Mod 4. Which map is going to bring Team Microwave Melon to the potential TB? And Umar is calling it reverse sweep.
He's got confidence now.
Oh. And Flame is saying, okay, we made it to the last match of the map, part 3. Or map of the map, sorry. Honestly, I don't know what Team Microwave Melon could pick here. But I would recommend they'd probably pick something that both Umar and Microwave Break are both strong on. Definitely not No Mod 3. I don't think Umar could pick or read it, so. You did confuse me. And Team Microwave Melon is going to be choosing into No Mod 4. Maybe hoping for a slider break or just like a slider advantage. Maybe they're more comfortable on the slider type on this map. So praying that Team Rocket just slider break on this. So yeah.
Yeah, I think Microwave Melon might be the stronger team on this tech map. We'll see though.
Honestly, part of me thinks that they chose it because it's AR 9.2. And it's not AR 9.
That could also be the other reason. But I mean, hey, Hard Rock 2 was up still. They could have chosen that instead.
Oh, I totally forgot about Hard Rock 2.
Grand finale, last map of the match, part 4.
Oh, an initial miss from Microwave Brick on the first slider. But it's not going to be too big of
We'll
a
count it
miss.
as an FC still.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, and
Both
a full...
Umar and Microwave Brick, full combo reset.
Yeah, but those are only early breaks. This map is decently long, almost 4 minutes long, so maybe there's time for them. And a V-Tiger is going to be breaking. With a full recovery from Team Microwave Melon. And James is the only true
We'll
SC.
seeing if James can put up a carry performance on this map. I feel like we're going to be seeing a lot of slider breaks here.
Yep, Microwave Brick breaks trading with Tiger, but Tiger finds another break. And Microwave Break trades along with that. We're gonna see both the tier 1 players playing it out on the slider section. James breaks and Umar holds with a huge combo along with 97 AC. But this map is very long. This isn't it yet. Microwave Melon is not out of the woods. Microwave Break finds another break, but a full combo recovery on the side of Team Rocket. And Umar finds a miss. And there are 2 huge combos for the side of Team Rocket as they quickly turn over the score. Right now they need Team Rocket to find misses in order to actually be able to take this map back. Oh, and V-Tiger is the first one to break. James holding with 600 combo.
Yeah, there is potential opportunity for Microwave Melon to bring this back. We might need James to break here, and both Umar and Microwave Brick to continue holding their combos throughout this section.
Microwave Brick just broke.
Ah.
But Team Rocket and Microwave Melon are going to be staring each other down at this break section with only a quarter of the map left.
Umar is ready, GG already? Come on.
They need to find a miss from James. James knows that his combo is going to be life or death for Team Rocket to deny a tiebreaker. V-Tiger finds another miss. Can James close it out for his team? And Microwave Brick is going to be finding a miss, giving a less chance for Microwave Melon to turn it over. And James looks very comfortable on the last slivers of the map. This might just be it for Team Microwave Melon, denying the point for a tiebreaker.
And there we go.
Yep, that's it.
Team Rocket will be taking this match 5-3 versus Microwave Melon. Continuing on in the winners bracket.
Strong,
GG well played to both teams.
strong performances from both teams, keeping it close. With James being the clutch player, with really strong scores. They might have the top match cost this week. And that'll be the end of matches for Saturday, surprisingly.
Yeah, everyone decided to reschedule to Sunday or
Sunday.
Monday,
Yep.
unfortunately. So
Uh-huh. Our next match potentially would be um the Rankers versus G Core 3 at Sunday 6 p.m. Followed by um the next match at 9 p.m. from Team Name Team versus the winner of match from the earlier match on Sunday. Very exciting to see. A lot of content. So we're gonna be having two matches back to back.
that's gonna be your match.
Oh yeah,
So
I can't even commentate. But good luck finding
see
someone.
see how
So
you do on that.
surely, surely we win. Smile. All right. Um, thanks for coming out, everybody. For this match, and hopefully you guys show up for tomorrow. Uh, take care and have a happy Saturday.